Hi, welcome back to engineering drawing. I'm your Dr. Vasu. We are seeing the lines inclined to both the reference planes. Here is one more problem. A line AB 90 mm long, that is true length is given, has its end A in both HP and VP. It's a typical problem. It appears like one end is in both HP, that VP means it is on the reference line. And 30 degrees with HP, that is theta, and 45 with VP, that is phi. Angles are given, true inclinations. Let us see how to draw it. Take the reference line, okay, and point A is in both HP and VP. That's why A dash and A will be the same point, okay. Now, let's take the first initial position, that is a line making 30 degrees angle with HP and parallel to VP. That means the entire line is taken in the vertical plane itself. So we see the line true length and true inclination also, okay, 30 degrees. And we call this as B1 dash. And here we make two observations. One is the point B is at this height, that is the locus of B in the front view. And if you draw the top view, its top view will be AB1. AB1 is the length of the line in the top view. So these two observations are made here. Next, starting with the A itself, we'll assume that the line is in the horizontal plane. In the horizontal plane itself. That means we get its front view on the reference line. So here the inclination 45 degrees is known. So we draw a line here at 45 degrees angle. And because the line is taken in the horizontal plane, we see the true length. So we draw a line, this is of 90 mm long, that is true length. AB2 is 90 mm. Now draw a projector onto the reference line. Because the line itself is in the horizontal plane, its front view is on the reference line itself. So A dash, B2 dash is on the reference line, and this is the length of the line in the front view. A dash, B2 dash is the length of the line in the front view. AB1 is the length of the line in the top view. And here another observation is, draw a line parallel to the reference line here, and that is the passing through B. This is the locus of B in the top view. So that's it. So we got the four observations: the length of the line in the front view, top view, and the locus in the front view and top view. Now, let's take the first initial position itself. This is AB1 as the top view. A as center, because the top view length, there won't be any change in the top view length. So AB1 as radius, A as center, rotate this point B1 like this. How far? Until it reaches the locus of B in the top view. Once it reaches, so stop it here, and this point is marked as B. Okay. Now join AB, that is the final top view of the line. And this angle is nothing but apparent angle in the top view, or called beta. Okay. Now directly we can draw the projector from B onto the in the front view here like this, and this intersects, this projector intersects the locus in the front view at a point here called B dash. We can join A dash, B dash, and that is the final front view of the line. This B dash can be obtained in the other way. Like, we know the front view length A dash, B2 dash, A dash as center, A dash, B2 dash as radius. B2 dash can be rotated like this until it reaches the locus. Once it reaches, you stop it here, and that point itself will be B dash. If you draw that way, you can draw the projector and check whether these two projections, either B and B dash, whether they are lying on the same projector or not. If they are lying on the same projector, the problem is right. Okay. Even now, suppose after doing this way, suppose if I draw an arc here from A dash as center, A dash, B2 dash as radius, if I draw an arc, it must pass through B dash. Otherwise, the problem is wrong. So like this, we can draw the, so this is the way. You can draw the arc here, and get the B dash. If you draw a projector, B dash must be on the same projector. Otherwise, the problem is wrong. So here the apparent angle is found here, alpha. The final projections and the apparent angles are drawn. So this is the way of drawing the problem when one end of the line is in both HP and BP. Hope you had understood this topic very well, and let's meet in the next video with another topic. Hope you had enjoyed all these problems on lines. Do comment, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.